So hello everyone, welcome to the video. And here you can see that this is a question and POTD of this 1 March. So the question is partitioning into minimum number of deci-binary numbers. So the question says that a decimal number is called deci-binary if each of its digits is either 0 or 1 without any leading zeros, for example. So what is basically question is that it says that suppose you know that how binary numbers are there, binary numbers. So this is a binary number, but if we think this number as 10,001, then this become a decimal number. This is all our way of checking that how we are seeing this from base 2 or base 10. If we see this number from base 10 value, then this is a decimal number which is equal to 10,000, and if we see it as a binary number, then it will be 1001, and which we can convert by using 2's power and then multiplying to the position of ones and get the decimal value, equivalent value. Now what you are given is that you are given a string n that represents a positive decimal number. Now you have to return the minimum number of positive deci-binary numbers needed so that they sum up to n. Now how can you do this question? I think that you would have already read the question and would have tried the question to solve this. If you are not getting the solution, then you would have come to this. If you have not tried the solution, then I advise you to go back to the problem and solve this question by yourself. Try this at least, and if you are not getting any hint, then you can come here. So this is a classical competitive programming like question. It is just some brain patterns which you practice. If you participate in lot of code forces or code sub contests, you would be easily able to do this question. This question does not have to do anything with the DSA or standard DSA question that are asked in interviews or something like that. It's just a simple competitive programming question. So what it says, suppose we are having any number in the form of string 89889. Now in how many numbers deci-binary types should be there so that they sum up to n? Okay, so you see one thing. See, if here is 8, then this surely means that at this position there should be 1 in at least 8 deci-binary numbers. You got what I want to say? That in this position this 1 should come at least 8 times, then only the 1 would be able to get sum into this 8. Then at this position where there is 9, there should be 1 at 9 times, and if there is 8, then again there should be 1 at 8 times, then again 1 at 8 times, and again 1 at 9 times. So if we try to represent such thing, we can say that there should be 1 and then 1 1 1 1, then there should be 1 1 1 1 1, and there should be 1 1 1 1 1, and this should continue till 8 times, and then there should be ninth 1 which should be 0 1 0 0 1, and here using dot 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 dot, because at this position this 1 is coming, this 1 is coming, and these are all 9 times, so this will give equivalent to 9 value, and then these will give equivalent to 8 value. So what we say here, to represent any number we have to make ones in all the strings that we are forming using deci-binary numbers. So what is the minimum number of positive deci-binary number that we need to use? So you can see that here if any number is 9, then we had to use 9 strings. See, this one, and continue to this one. So what does this mean? This means that the highest number present in the string, that are the number of deci-binary numbers that we should use to sum up to this number. So we don't have to find anything, we just have to find the largest number present here. And this comes from the fact that if we are able to cover the largest number, we would already be able to cover the lower numbers, because suppose we are able to cover 9 by using 9 ones in 9 binary decimal numbers, then if there is another 8 in any string, we can place 0 in that, at that place in other deci-binary number, and by placing 0 there you would be able to cover 8 also. So we just have to find the largest one. So starting the solution, so we have to just traverse the string, and answer equals to max of uns comma the string data and the number, getting the number. And I think that you would have know that when we are converting a string back into the integer, then we have to subtract that character 0 character, because suppose here it is, if it is 5, then if we make 5 minus 0, then it will give us 5. So that is how we convert a character into number. And to do vice versa, we have to add plus 0 this type. So now submitting this question, and now I have submitted the question, and it is giving all right answer. All the test cases passed and it's working fine. So that is what we needed to do here. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.